Hello you newsletter subscriber. I made this video especially for you as a way of... I just wanted to thank you. Look, the newsletter, as you would know by now, is close to my heart, and I'm trying to build it out, and I appreciate you being here. So let me run you through my minimal filming setup, how I shot things of a video that you haven't seen yet because that video is going live later this week. But yeah, this is a little newsletter exclusive. Welcome to my most simple filming setup yet. This is the 1DX Mark II Video Mic Pro Plus, my Galaxy Note 9, connected via USB using DSLR controller. I have one piece of white paper here. I've got one mini aperture LED light that I'm powering with a USB battery over there. Got my script here, and here I've got a foldable blue and green screen on a single little light stand with a clasp at the top. And that's it for today. That's how I'm filming because I'm moving house, kind of, and I just don't have a lot of gear left because I've already moved a bunch and I've sold some stuff. So yeah, that's it really. Still looks pretty good. Here we have the second filming setup that I used to shoot the product shots. So I'm using that same clamp that I mounted my phone with, and this little arm which holds the phone at the bottom here. Simple black cardboard paper with these clamps to hold that in place. This is the 1DX with the 50mm 1.8 and a little very cheap macro extension tube which allows me to get much closer and focus on, you know, get up close in detail, which you can't do with other lenses. So that is also quite minimal. And then what I use for the light is again the same little light panel with a frosted and a blue filter on there, and then I just kind of move it over just out of frame, and it adds these, you know, nice little moving lights things that's inspired by iPhone, one of my favorite tech reviewers over in LA. As you may have noticed, there is quite a lot of stuff missing, but that's an update for a future video. I know I'll get the question, so I've written a blog with all the products that I'm using in this video, in case you want to check that out. Also, if you haven't seen them yet, check out the e-books about time-lapse and astro time-lapse photography. They've been selling really well, and I've been getting great feedback, so that's amazing. Hope you enjoyed today. Catch you guys very soon.